I'm a
So
strong
never give
woman.
up.
I'm the strong woman. Everyone is saying to me because in so much pain I laugh.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
we still can seeing your smile. Your smile is so nice.
Thank you. But I don't have teeth.
Manusia hidup semua ada cobaan. Ngomong.
That's so nice.
Kratos ngomong sama dia.
All humans have trials. So many trials that we have to face in our daily life, right, Zene?
Yes. Yes. The God gives us only we only that much we can survive. Nothing more. You know. And
Yeah,
I
It's painful, but
it's painful but I can do it. I can do it. I say if anything need in future uh, to happen,
bad.
I want to happen to me, not my husband, my mother, my brother, but
dukungan dari suami, dukungan dari
I
ibunya
don't
juga,
have
Bayun.
family. I don't speak with my mom and brother and all of my family.
Oh, you don't speak. You don't speak.
Yeah, but I
Sudah lama tidak berbicara dengan
if something
ibunya
needs
dan
to happen to
saudara
them, I want
lelakinya,
to happen
Bayun.
to me.
Bad.
Everything to need to happen to bed. I'm strong. I'm strong.
Yeah, your husband surely support for you
Oh,
fully.
only him.
Only him.
Yes.
Ya, dia cuma ada
Sekarang
dukungan
ada
dari
aku,
suaminya, Bayun.
Sekarang ada aku satu lagi.
Yeah, now you have Ubayun as your supporter.
Yes, I'm really glad I meet you all. I'm really glad because
Yeah.
I'm
Here
from
is
Bosnia.
our brothers too, Teresa Valevi. Maybe Teresa want to speak.
Teresa,
Yeah, we.
coba bicara ke dia.
Hi, Jenita.
Pencam, Bang Terry.
Yung tengah na pakai busana gitu. Sebentar.
What?
Is our brothers too. He is one of singer. He is a singer. Yeah, cover the song
Very nice.
and compose the song.
Wow.
You can
Wow.
open profile.
What kind of music? What
I do covers and also original song, but I do cover mostly on YouTube.
can I find you on YouTube?
Just look up my name, like my YouTube channel, Teresa Palif as well.
Can you sing just a small? I mean little. Obai, what are you doing?
Sorry, Jenita. By the way,
No, just kidding. What are you doing?
that's okay.
Oh my God. I'm crying and smiling at the same time. I'm crazy.
Aku orangnya selalu happy, Begah Tiri. Bayun orangnya selalu happy, tidak pernah kayak mana ya. Ya
I'm
begitulah.
happy with you guys, really.
Yeah. No. Ubayun just said that he's kind of like such a always happy guy. No matter what happened to him, he's always happy.
It's
Saya
такая
hidup kayak
Yes.
seperti nggak ada masalah aja bilang.
My husband just said that
She's same.
yeah, I'm the same. He said that. Can you put this together,
Yes.
please? I want to.
Bilang aja ke Aceh.
Jenita, would you like to visit Aceh one day?
What?
Would you like to visit our country one day, maybe?
Yes, I spoke. I think Ubay is no before no. It
Okay, too.
2 days. I mean, before 2 days, I will. I spoke with Ubay and Stratus and in one live. I really want to and learn your
Yes,
learn
we
your
are one of community.
learn your
There is pecinta satwa,
English.
there is Ubay, there is Miss Boon, there is
Learn your
Tere, there is Andalusi. Sekarang lupa
language
aku,
and
Tere.
visit your country. I really want it. It's so far, but
Bilang Tere,
I will make it.
saudara Ubay semua baik di sini. Orang baik semua saudara Ubay di sini. Bisa menerima dia gitu. Bisa menerima keluarga mereka gitu.
Yeah, the people around him is good guys, and he would welcome you very well here.
You are so good, really. We don't. We in Bosnia we have 3. How to say national? Yeah, three national. We have Muslims.
Tere.
Ya, Yun.
Kita nanti bisa bermalam di gunung di kebun binatang aku bagus.
Catholic and Christians, but Serbi to jest. And it's always the fight with mouth. Who's the boss in this country? And it's everything seems to it going to be again a war.
Apa katanya Tere?
Ya, Yun.
Sorry, I'm rusty with English because I have that amnesia. I forgot really. I forgot my how I birth my baby. So it's
Zenita, I apologize that before that I really out of context. Hello, Hani permendeo.
Say.
No, I said I apologize that I really out of context because I just joined this live and I didn't know and I didn't know what were you guys talking about before that. So
but no, never mind. We are. I'm here just to.
Yeah.
I like you guys from Indonesia and you are so
good people.
Good people. I see. I can see from the first sight. I can see who's the good, who's the bad. He can подтвердить то.
Да.
Здесь, that's the truth. And I see Ubay is really a good, very good person. Very good person.
he welcomes you whenever you want to come or visit
Very,
him in here. I mean, like he would like to invite you to stay at the mountain, at the hills, and also he has a zoo park when you can stay there if you want to.
I
So
love
whenever
animals.
you
I
have
have
planned to visit our country, see, he would welcome you very well.
yes, I and Ubay send messages on WhatsApp, and I have here 14 cats and three dog. I
Kalau di
really
kalau di
love
Bosnia
animals.
makanannya apa, Tiri? Makanan
What's your
mereka apa?
staple food in Bosnia?
How?
He was asking you what's your staple food in Bosnia. I mean,
Oh,
what do
it's
you usually
we are
eat? Yeah.
surviving here. You know,
Was that?
we are surviving here.
Surviving, like I mean,
Surviving. It means like actually surviving. We don't live in Bosnia. We surviving in Bosnia because
no,
it's
yeah,
the payments are low and the price are high, very high.
yeah.
It's unbelievable. After that war,
Apa, Tiri?
Iji hana nyambung Yun. Iji
and
maksud
so
yang lu tanya kan yang dijawab.
Excuse me,
Enggak, dia kurang bisa bahasa Inggris juga. Dia bahasa Inggrisnya
Ya,
sedikit.
ya karena kan bahasa aja Yun. Karena Iji memang aja bahasa Inggris.
Ya, dia makanannya dia makan sehari-hari apa orang Bosnia? Kok kita nasi gitu.
Ya, Zenita Ubayun was asking you.
Moram naučiti njihov jezik.
Dobro.
Moram naučiti njihov jezik. Šta bi?
Možeš misliti posebno mi invalidi kako živimo.
Invalid. Samo da napišem. Tidak sah. Tidak sah. Je li to?
Yeah.
You know,
Tidak sah.
What is your food for breakfast?
look, me and my husband are this. Ajde pusti ti. Da pusti, možeš li?
Ne.
There. Oh, here on the speaker.
Yeah, like burek,
There. Oh,
sefapi. Do you
look.
ever eat sefapi?
Here.
You go
Tidak
for
sah.
korba?
Makanan sehari-hari mereka apa?
Yeah, your daily breakfast. Do you eat rice? Bread?
I don't understand really. Tidak sah. Invalid. Me and my husband, we are this.
Tidak sah.
Tidak sah.
Yeah, what does I
Maksudnya?
in the
Could you repeat
Netherlands
it one more?
Tidak sah.
Tidak sah.